Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GDPR-ready consent flows with Cookiebot detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify GDPR-ready consent flows with Cookiebot, start by accessing your website's Cookiebot implement. Log in to your Cookiebot account. Select the domain you want to verify from your dashboard. Navigate to the Consent tab in the left sidebar. Here, you will find a live preview of your consent banner. Ensure the consent banner is displaying correctly on your site. Check if the necessary cookies appear in the Cookies section. Confirm that all essential cookies are clearly labeled with their purpose. Look for the option to accept or decline cookies within the banner. Test the functionality by clicking Accept All to see if the banner disappears. Next, click on Reject All to ensure the banner behaves. Observe any cookie management links provided for users wanting to customize their preferences. Access your website in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps you see the consent banner as a new user would. Verify that the consent banner shows up upon first visiting the site. After interacting with the banner, refresh the page. Confirm whether the consent you provided persists after the refresh. Return to the Cookiebot dashboard and review the Consent Statistics section. Check if consent records are being accurately logged in this section. Look for any discrepancies in user choices in the consent records. Confirm that you are complying with GDPR by reviewing the captured consent data. Familiarize yourself with your users' rights regarding data access and deletion. Ensure that you have a process in place for handling any consent withdrawal requests. Finally, repeat these verification steps periodically to maintain compliance. Once satisfied, document your verification process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.